Hello, welcome to the Life Skills Green. It's been a while that I haven't uploaded my content on this channel that you always watch some educational content, whether it is English learning language content or general education content. So I've been uploading for a few years now. I want to add one more topic here on this channel: artificial intelligence learning. So today I'm going to give you how to learn what is course outline in learning artificial intelligence or AI. Earlier I used to teach you, make videos for you about learning English, new vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation tips. I used to upload many videos in that regard. Now from today I'm also adding this new topic, artificial intelligence, so you could also watch this topic as well. People, the audience who watch my content, who like my content, I really appreciate their kind gesture, their likeness towards my content. I'm very happy for that. And now I'm going to talk about, specifically in this video, about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence, or what is course outline, so that you can save your energy and your precious time of your life, so that you don't have to roam around and waste your years learning artificial intelligence. That's why I'm here. You have clicked on this video, on this thumbnail, because you are already interested in learning artificial intelligence. Now let me remind you one thing, or make you aware of that you might see many ads online on social media that you can learn artificial intelligence in 1 year, in 8 months, in 6 months, in 3 months. So you should be cautious about that. Just ads, sponsored content online is available everywhere. If you just see advertisements, and you should be aware of that. Artificial intelligence is a vast field. It has different areas, so that's why it's a vast study. You should spend a few years in the beginning, but then it will lead you to to become intermediate expert and full expert after 5, 8, 10 years, even 10 years, because it's a long journey. It's not like a sprint race, it's a marathon. So you should be aware of that. And if you find any kind of ad, they may teach you very small portions, or any specific topic or any specific language programming software, so that is okay. But if they just claim for teaching you a complete or any kind of artificial intelligence, so it even takes software downloading hours, okay, uploading and downloading hours. That's why you should be sincere to yourself and serious about your spending your money and your time wisely. In learning artificial intelligence, if you are good at maths already, that's well and good. And if you are not good at maths, so even that's okay. But if you are good at maths, so you may do coding on any language programming or any software platform, so that you can do that easily, because you are already good at your mathematics, logic. That is why, so it will be a plus for you. If you are not good at mathematics, so you should keep learning from now on, because you should be intermediate level at mathematics. So in that way you can do understand logic, coding, and all of that thing. So I am not just forcing you to learn mathematics. Okay, so even if you don't know mathematics, that is okay. So you can build your own models. You can take help from other artificial intelligent bots. They are freely available on the web, on the internet. You can take help from them, and they give you all kind of codings, so you can use them. Or you can even use third-party APIs. You can use them in your language programming or your AI model that you want to build. In that way, if you are not well aware about, you are not familiar with mathematics, it's okay. You can learn artificial intelligence. But if you want to learn, and then it will be a plus. If you want to learn mathematics, it will be a good favor for you. So you will be ahead in your learning journey with your knowledge of mathematics. Otherwise, it's okay. You can do you can take codings from other sources. They are available freely. Now here is how to start learning artificial intelligence. I want to give you course outline. If you also want to, if you are not good at mathematics, so then you can also start your learning mathematics from beginning through books or by watching YouTube videos. You can learn mathematics slowly, and you have to reach at least intermediate level. Then you can go in specialization, one kind of or any kind of mathematics, which is probability or calculus, statistics, or linear algebra, which are commonly used in building artificial intelligence. You can learn them. However, if you just learn that way, with starting with mathematics, and what is the next book that you can learn these two courses altogether at the same time. The next one is artificial intelligence introduction. You may prepare yourself learning introduction from ChatGPT or other large language models, bots, which are freely available. You can learn from Google, from watching YouTube videos as well. So you should be clear about your artificial intelligence introduction. What is artificial intelligence? You should be clear with that point. Then learning introduction, artificial intelligence, and also learning with mathematics, then that is your first step towards learning and towards mastering your artificial intelligence. Here, next book I would suggest you, or the topic I would like to suggest you, is data science. So you should, because artificial intelligence is based on the data, so you should learn how that data is created and how it is built and how it is used in training artificial intelligent models. So in that way, you should also learn data science. That subject is called data science. Once again you complete your machine learning book or course, whether you read machine learning book or you just research on ChatGPT, so it depends on you, your learning style. Then it comes the number of is Python. Okay, now you have to just learn it, even if you are not able to do it practically, but you have to learn Python. Just visit its website and watch some videos, and you should also take help from ChatGPT, and you could also download audiobooks or reading Python book. In that way, you will get that insight from all your that studying and that way of learning. Then you can work practically. In artificial intelligence, there are major language programming platforms. They are Python, language or JavaScript, C++. These are very major language programming platforms, so courses you should learn, be familiar with them. In that way you will create your own way, path, how to go, where to go in that all artificial intelligent universe. That you can then decide and design your path of your profession, that what do you want to do in that artificial intelligence. After learning all of these language programming and data science and all of that I have described in previously in this video, so earlier in this video, so you can just do them. Then you can go in specialization if you want to do something in specialization. Now remember one thing, that there's much money that you can earn, like thousands, hundreds of thousands, even millions in rupees and dollars as well. But you have to be very good at your profession, you have to be knowledgeable, and in that way you can grow your career path. This has been Nusrat Hussain from Life Skills Green. See you in the next video. Talk soon.